is the moment of,
That's not good.
yes, our winner, our grand winner, who will receive a set of golds.
Oh!
Nakita ko na siya.
Grabe!
With necklace, earrings, with 10 carats of diamond.
Remind ko lang sa mananalo mamaya nga. Kung sino man nanalo mamaya yan, saan po kayo dumadaan?
And now, eto na, and Miss Maya will pick our grand winner. And person is, anyways, thank you so much, Pepsi Group, again for inviting us here. And medyo kinakabahan lang ako kasi yung major prizes will receive a set of golds. Nakita na naman. Palakpakan niyo naman, of course.
Yes.
Our bosses. Without them, wala tayong ganito. Kaya naman, ang nanalo ay si... lalaki. So, ganito na lang. Sana meron siyang girlfriend na hindi siya lulukuhin.
Hindi, paano mo bayot yan?
Sige, tingnan natin. And the winner is...